Do you like, Suraj, having people around you?
No.
They used to be bindas.
Father, yes. The day I got acquitted, he had cried when I met him.
Are you scared of being a father or are you scared of love?
I'm scared of being a father.
अब acquitted हो गए हो, बोल दिया गया है कि you're not responsible for anything. क्या कुछ लोगों ने आपको आके बोला sorry सूरज?
No.
उस वक्त we shouldn't have put you on a media trial?
No. I mean, I'm not the cleanest guy. A lot of flaws I have. Even in relationships, maybe I'm not the best.
Have you ever not felt free? Mentally, I'm talking about.
Of course. No one wants to take any pangas. Everyone's
Playing it safe.
not playing it safe, playing it very cowardly. Everyone's being a coward now.
There were rumors about you with Maura Hokane. Is that true?
Oh my God.
How are you, brother? कैसे हो?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very, very happy.
Because of you, I was speaking to my team that I have to keep my energy high because you have such high energy.
But I want to tell you कि तुम्हारी energy कैसी है अभी?
Good, positive, really nice. I'm happy to be in your house. Last time you were in my house. Today I'm in your house. Always nice to see you. I think the first time we did a proper show together was in the gym.
जी, of course.
I don't
आप
know.
आए थे.
मैं आया
Yes.
था, I had come. It was close by. It was a very fun session. It was a more fitness-oriented session, and then we did another one, I think, for one of the films, and then home.
So you
And now
remember
I'm
every
here.
bit.
Yes.
मुझे भी याद है हर एक बिट आपके साथ. I like the silent inner power जो तुम्हारे अंदर है.
I mean, thank you.
हाँ. कभी कभार 4 साल रिटर्न टू द मूवीज के बाद
Uh-huh.
क्या एक आवाज अंदर है जो साइलेंस नहीं चिल्ला के कहना चाहता है यस मैं वापस लौटा हूं बड़े स्क्रीन पर.
Definitely, every day I'm very proud of myself that, you know, I stood by what I want to do, and I'm still here, still chasing the dream, still being persistent about it. तो काफ़ी मेहनत लगी उसमें, बट काफ़ी लोग जुड़े भी हैं उसके साथ. लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट आई हैव हैड फ्रॉम लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू सिट वेयर आई एम सिटिंग राइट नाउ.
यू नो आई हैव टू टेल यू मैंने तुम्हारी फिल्मोग्राफी देखी टाइम टू डांस केसरी वीर से पहले जिसमें 4 साल का गैप था आपका.
जी.
उससे पहले सैटेलाइट, शंकर, उससे पहले ऑफ कोर्स योर डेब्यू फिल्म.
यस.
फॉर अ यंग एक्टर, क्योंकि आप यंग हो, मेरे हिसाब से तो आप यंग हो ही.
जी.
4 साल वेट करना एवरी डे बहुत ट्रॉमेटिक होता है एक एक्टर के लिए, स्पेशली एन एक्टर लाइक यू जो फिजिकली इन्वॉल्व है, मेंटली इन्वॉल्व.
I mean, I'm not a lazy guy. I can't sit in one place.
I
So,
know.
of course, they say कि आप गधे को बांध के रख दोगे तो वो खड़ा रहेगा. I'm not a गधा, I'm a घोड़ा. घोड़े को नहीं बांध सकते. घोड़ा बीमार हो जाता है बांध के रखते तो, you know. So I had to I did have the courage to keep myself busy, keep myself active, keep myself motivated, and that is why today I'm at the Siddharth Kannan show.
पर मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, घोड़े को बांध नहीं सकते हो. घोड़े ने अपने आप को बिजी रखा,
जी.
पर घोड़ा तब भी स्क्रीन पर नहीं था.
जी.
वो हर्ट करता था आपको?
Hurt me. I of course used to miss being on set because since I was about 17 years old, I've been on set working as an assistant director. Then right after that, I did another film. So when you're an assistant director, that's with Bansali sir, that was a good 3 years of work, pre-production, shoot,
गुजारिश.
yeah, shoot, release. The entire process takes about 2.5-3 years. Then again with एक था Tiger, another 2 years over there. So, and then my first film, again a lot of time spent. So my routine had become being on set. I just missed being on set, to be very, very honest. I don't know whether I missed acting or not, but I really missed being on set. You know, even today when I act, I'm more of a AD than an actor.
ADS and आप behind the scenes भी सब देखते रहते हो क्या हो रहा है?
I mean, I like it. You know, my team always keeps telling me, Suraj, you know, you need to behave like an actor. You need to like calm down, sit down, this that. But I like being on field. You know, I'm that kind of a person.
मुझे ये बताओ कि because of all the things that you've gone through, क्या उस वजह से आपने realize किया कि यार life में having bodyguards around me is not very important. What is important is दोस्ती रखना उन लोगों के साथ जो मेरे साथ रहे हैं.
जी, अगर मैं अपने दोस्तों को वहाँ बुलाया और मैं वहाँ पे गार्ड्स के साथ घूम रहा हूँ तो what is the point? I'm in between my friends, you know. But I guess many things in life have made me very, how do you say, grounded in whatever, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, whatever capacity, जितना capacity में मैं grounded रह सकता हूँ मैं रहता हूँ.
Do you like, Suraj, having people around you?
No. I'm mostly alone. I'm mostly with Sanjay, who's been with me for 15 years now.
संजय कौन है?
ये भाई साहब.
अच्छा, कैसा भाई?
आपका हाई तो सुना दो कैमरा में. खाली हाई
जोर से बोलना. अरे आजा 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 आजा. अरे आना मेरे भाई आजा.
कम.
ये शक्ल तो दिखा दे अपना हैंडसम शक्ल. आजा आजा.
आजा आप भी रहो.
हाउ स्वीट. संजय 15 साल रहे हैं आपसे.
जी.
15 साल रहे हैं, यानी आपने देखा है सूरज की एंट्री बॉलीवुड में.
सब देखा है. संजू ने तो स्ट्रगल देखा है, गुड टाइम्स देखा है, बैड टाइम्स देखा है, गर्लफ्रेंड्स देखे हैं,
सब देखा आपने.
फैमिली देखा है, अप्स डाउन्स, मस्ती, फ्रेंड्स, और क्या क्या देखा है. सब चीज देखा है जो देखना भी नहीं चाहिए.
संजू,
यस सर.
तुम क्या करते हो सूरज के लिए?
मैं
हाँ बोल ना, बिंदास कर. अरे वो चीजें बोल जो कैमरा में बोल सकता है बस. समझे? बाद में चलो छोटे भाई का फोन आ गया.
नहीं, पर संजू दिल से काम करता है.
जो भी है
दिल से काम
सर के
करता
लिए
है. शायद बहुत मस्तीखोर है, हंसमुख है, कीप्स मी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. इसका सुबह
तेरे लिए रखा माइक. हाँ बोल.
सुबह इसकी हंसी से चालू होती है मेरा दिन और इसकी हंसी से ख़त्म होती है. नो मैटर व्हाट स्ट्रेस दिस दैट. मेरे फादर भी चिल्लाते हैं मुझे या डांटते हैं हमें तो हम गाड़ी में हंस के निकाल लेते हैं उसे. तो ही इज़ बिन वेरी वेरी सपोर्टिव एंड ही इज़ ऑलवेज बिन देयर फॉर मी.
तो भाई हम सोच रहे थे कि भाई की गर्लफ्रेंड की आवाज आती होगी सुबह हंसने वाली, पर संजय की आती है.
संजय की आती है.
मेरी आती है.
जब आपने सूरज को टफ मोमेंट्स के दौरान देखा,
ये तो था, थ्रू आउट था,
ये
हर
जब
जगह
रोते
था.
थे आप भी रोते थे?
मैं रोया तो नहीं था कभी.
कभी नहीं रोया?
नहीं.
सर कैसे थे वो टफ मोमेंट्स में? सच्चे दिल से बता, दिल से जो आती है बोल.
कैमरा
शर्मा?
शाय. हाँ.
हाँ.
ये नहीं, ही इज अ वेरी हंसमुख गाय.
लव यू ब्रदर, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. बाद में कैमरा बंद होगा तो और पूछूंगा सवाल. हाउ नाइस. तो ये आपके एड रहे सबसे क्लोजेस्ट.
Yes, I would say not close, the closest. 24 hours he's with me, you know, seeing if I'm okay, if I'm fine.
I can see his love for you मेरे भाई. And the fact that कोई इंसान तेरे साथ 15 साल रहा है सूरज, that itself shows कि आप अच्छे इंसान रहे होंगे इनके साथ. मैं हमेशा बिलीव करता हूँ.
I mean, I hope so.
किसी का ड्राइवर हो, किसी का कुक हो, किसी का हाउस हेल्प हो, अगर वो उनके साथ बहुत साल से रहे हैं,
No, it's
वो उनको
because
दिखाता है कि वो अच्छे लोग होते हैं.
if I grow, he'll grow, right?
You had tears in your eyes right now. संजय के लिए था कि
It's a journey not of me, of the entire team.
you feel कि amongst a lot of people जो आपको जज कर रहे थे,
No.
ये
My trainers, Sanjay. There's a lady who's been working in my house for more than 30 years. Her. So these are your core people.
आप उनको फैमिली बुलाते हो. यू फील कंप्लीट विद देम. अगर ये आपके बगल में नहीं रहे, वुड यू फील इनकम्प्लीट? वुड यू फील लॉस्ट?
Not lost, maybe God would have given me. God gives you people, I think, different people in your life for the right time. But for me and him, it's been a journey because he saw everything. 15 saal, he saw in and out. And he's only with me, he's not with anybody in the family. He's always constantly with me. So
तू भी सेंटी हो रहा है. गॉड ब्लेस ब्रदर. जब मैं संजय से बात कर रहा था, मैंने कहा कि जब सर रो रहे थे, आप भी रो रहे थे. आपने कहा आप रोते नहीं थे. क्यों नहीं रोते थे? क्योंकि आंसू आते नहीं थे, या आप अपने आप को बोलते थे कि भाई आई एम गोइंग टू कंट्रोल दिस, आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेरी
no,
स्ट्रांग?
I can't. When I'm extremely sad, I'm quiet. When I'm extremely happy, they're tears. And this is happiness, is because I'm gifted with such people in my life.
Did you realize the importance of simple people around you? I'd like to believe आपकी जो हाउस हेल्प है, आपके जो संजय है, वो सिंपल पीपल है. आपने ये रियलाइज किया द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सिंपल पीपल बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट यू वेंट थ्रू इन दोज इयर्स?
No, he's been there before I went through things.
व्हेन डिड यू रियलाइज दैट इम्पोर्टेंस? तब देखा आपने जब शायद आपने पेरेंटल इश्यूज भी देखे थे उस वक्त?
No, I think like that. I come from a very, keeping my mom, dad aside, I keep coming from a very humble kind of a upbringing because I spent a lot of time with my grandparents. There was, I mean, they've always kept me very grounded, and I think I would like to believe I still kind of am. I don't know, and I hope I am.
What were the grounded things जो आप करते थे even as the young Suraj? You're still young.
Just basic stuff, like what kids would do at that time, like normal. Now you don't see children playing down in the building. Normal things what children would do, hide and seek and chupa chupi and this and that and bunking school ho gaya, yeah, or having that that Imli and carry that kids would have, and cycling, learning how to cycle for the first time. Then I had a driver. He's no more. His name was Akbar. He taught me how to ride a bike at a very young age. Mom, dad said Shupake. So these people I'll never forget. Then there was a person called Joginder. He took care of my mom, dad before I was born. So these people are somewhere in my DNA, and very grateful for having these people.
केसी वीर में भी मैंने सुना है चांटिंग ऑफ शिवा. भगवान शिवा के मेंशंस भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है उसमें. आप स्पिरिचुअल हो, आप ऊपर वाले को प्रे करते हो?
मैं ज़्यादा मंदिर नहीं जाता हूँ, बट बिकॉज आई बिलीव नो मैटर व्हाट गॉड इज़ वन. Bhakt of Shiva for sure. That's the first murti I ever saw of any god in my life. Because where I used to live in Juhu, there was only a very big murti of Shiv in that house. So that's my first. I never saw Ganesh or any other murti for the first time. It was Shivji, So I think somewhere, and then I did a film called Satellite Shankar. So again, he was a Shiv Bhakt in that film. This film is Kesari Veer. It's on the Somnath temple. It's about a Shiv Bhakt. So somewhere I think it's connected, somewhere I don't know what क्या है.
जब केसरी का ऑफर आया आपके पास, कौन सबसे ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो गए थे आपके लिए?
इमोशनल आई थिंक तब तो कोई भी नहीं हुआ था, बट आई थिंक they've not told me, but I'm sure I know my family. I'm sure they had tears in their eyes when they saw me on screen yesterday. I'm 100% sure. I didn't see them. I didn't take their reaction. I didn't meet them yesterday after the screening, nor have I met them today.
आप बोल रहे हैं अपने माता पिता के बारे में?
जी. So I'm sure they were emotional, but they haven't really said that. They just said, you've done your part really well and we're very proud of you.
आप रोते नहीं हो, माता पिता आपको बोलते नहीं है कि वो इमोशनल कब होते हैं?
See, I only get emotional when something really makes me happy or when I feel grateful. My tears only come when I'm grateful. When I was arrested, I didn't cry even once. When I was given bail, I didn't cry once. The day I was acquitted, I didn't cry even once. Okay, oh my God, finally it's over. No. वहाँ से हम निकले, I went straight home, I changed, I went to the gym, life started again. Yeah, but when something overwhelms me in the sense that where I feel that I'm blessed, that is only when tears you will see. Otherwise, you will never see tears in sadness. मेरे उसमें sadness maybe borderlining कहाँ ना कहाँ होगा उसमें, but only when I get happy or emotional about being lucky is when you will see tears. Otherwise, no.
ड्यूरिंग दिस होल फेज जब आप नहीं रोए थे, ऑल द मोमेंट्स यू मेंशन, माता पिता रोते थे आपके सामने कि वो भी
कभी नहीं.
वो भी बने छुपाते थे आपसे? आपको मालूम था कि वो
I'm
रोते
sure
थे?
छुपाते हैं क्योंकि मैं छुपाता हूँ उनसे, तो I'm sure उन लोग भी छुपाते हैं.
पर आपके सामने कैसे होते थे वो?
कभी नहीं.
दे यूज्ड टू बी बिंदास.
Father, yes, the day I got acquitted, he had cried when I met him. Mom, never. Sister, never.
आपके रोल मॉडल्स कौन हैं लाइफ में?
Role models. Bits and pieces, many people. Everybody has some good quality, some bad quality.
व्हाट इज इट अबाउट दोज थिंग्स जो आपने अपने पिताजी से इम्बाइब किया अपने अंदर?
To be a really supportive father. Always he has only given me motivation कि बेटा हार नहीं मानना. Those 2 words, 3 words give me a boost for an entire year. That's it.
माँ से क्या इम्बाइब किया आपने?
Same thing. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. That's all you need, you know. What else do you need?
So I've noticed they just tell you these few lines.
Yeah. They don't need to preach and saying go into it. Just 2-3 things. Our family is extremely loving to each other. Our day starts with I love you and ends with I love you, you know. So
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में कि वर्बली?
no group. Voice message.
तो माता पिता आपको वॉइस नोट में आई लव यू भेजते हैं
Yes.
और एंड ऑफ द डे आपको वॉइस नोट में आई लव यू भेजते हैं.
नहीं, ड्यूरिंग द डे कभी भी देखते हैं. आई मीन कभी भी भेजते हैं when they feel maybe that love for me, and I reply to them with a message or a voice note. But it's all, I mean, love you we have to say to each other every day, not because we have to, because it's because we love each other.
So you wake up to I love you from Ma and Pa
Yes.
and sleep with I love you. That's beautiful.
Yes.
That's what I do with my daughters and my daughters do
Yeah.
with me also.
I mean, I don't know, you know, I've always heard that having a child is something else. I'm scared to have one because I don't know, because I'm extremely emotional, so I don't know if something goes down, how I will handle it.
Emotional people, because I'm a father to two, are good parents.
Yeah.
Can I tell you, I'm 46 years old.
You look great though.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
But
Are you?
over a period of time, I've started crying on the smallest of things. You know, I have, and it's happened. And it happens very regularly because with the passage of time, I've started dropping down my guards. And if you're emotional, you'll always be a great father because आप समझ पाओगे अपने बच्चों के emotions को. Are you scared of being a father or are you scared of love?
I'm scared of being a father, of course. I'm extremely possessive about even my dog. And I can't think of not having him. So imagine if I have my own blood and my own baby or my own daughter. I don't know. Either it'll make me very strong or it'll make me very weak. Weak as in because I'll be extremely worried. So I don't know.
Are you possessive as a romantic person also?
Not at all.
Not at
Not at all. Zero.
all. Zero in terms of romance.
See, I mean, I'm extremely romantic, but when it comes to being possessive, I think now there are different levels of it. Never have checked anyone's phone, never have asked that person not to talk to anyone, never have asked a person not to go a certain place or wear a certain thing. If it's really bothering me, maybe I'll question it. Otherwise, no.
How you as a romantic person, how do you rate yourself?
I think difficult because I don't express my feelings.
Only to the person you are romantically involved, or in general?
In
to
general.
friends, to parents, to brothers?
In general. In general.
क्यों नहीं आप एक्सप्रेस करते हो? क्योंकि आपको डर एक्सप्रेस करने का?
नहीं, I just don't know how. क्योंकि I feel कि everyone's going through so much in their own lives. मैं अपना क्या प्रॉब्लम दूँ उनको?
क्या ये वहाँ सिस्टम होता है क्योंकि पेरेंट्स वर नॉट इन द मोस्ट स्मूथेस्ट रिलेशनशिप, तो इसलिए आपको लगा कि मैं अपने पेरेंट्स
Maybe
को
I
कैसे
handled it
express-
myself as a child, so I think that's become my practice. That's become my muscle memory of dealing it with myself.
You didn't want to put your pressures, your worries onto them, I presume.
Or maybe my mind is automized like that to kind of tackle it slowly. And I can tackle it. So that is one gift I have.
तो are you emotionally dependent on people? आप हो?
In what way?
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे जब मैं लो फील करता हूँ, आई लाइक इट इफ आई एक्सप्रेस टू माई वाइफ, मैं फोन
No,
करके
मैं जब low feel करता हूँ, I go meet my friends.
बट यू वोंट टेल देम.
Of course not, because they don't want to hear about these things. I rather go and hear the nonsense that they're talking about. Boy talk.
आप करते हो बिंदास बॉय टॉक?
कौन नहीं करता है?
मैं भी करता हूँ अपने
every-
पिकल बॉल गैंग के साथ बहुत.
Every boy does it. Every boy does it. You don't think in the I'm talking about locker room conversations.
Yeah.
Everyone does it, and that is okay. You feel normal, and आप वापस घर आते हो, सो जाते हो, next day उठो, काम करो, and move.
आप अभी भी जज फील करते हो? अभी
No. Things are much smoother, much better.
जब आप लोगों से मिलते हो, यू फील वो भी लाइटली आपसे मिलते हैं?
See, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि I did promotions for Hero. I did bit of promotions for Satellite Center. That film was a very good film, but didn't get promoted. I interacted with media a lot in my life, but now this year the media has been so nice and so supportive towards me. I have no words. Really, they've been extremely supportive, and maybe they see some good in me. I don't know what it is, but extremely supportive media, and I'm extremely shocked कि वो एक दौर था when they were extremely against, और अभी ये एक दौर है that they're being slightly supportive. So
इनफैक्ट आपने देखा होगा सुभाष चंद्र जी, द जी टीवी फाउंडर, उन्होंने एक्चुअली सॉरी कहा था सोशल मीडिया में टू रिया चक्रवर्ती. आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दैट? उन्होंने एक्चुअली सॉरी कहा
I know of who you're talking about. He's extremely powerful.
Yes.
I mean, if he's done that, then wow.
उन्होंने सॉरी कहा था. ही सेड बिकॉज ही फेल्ट कि मीडिया ट्रायल ने सबको अपने हिसाब से ब्रांड किया, अच्छा इंसान, बुरा इंसान, गलत वगैरह वगैरह. हाँ, आप भी मीडिया ट्रायल की ओर गुजरे थे. यू वेंट थ्रू ट्रेमेंडस मीडिया ट्रायल. क्या उसके बाद जब आप अब एक्विटेड हो गए हो, बोल दिया गया है कि यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनीथिंग, क्या कुछ लोगों ने आपको आके बोला सॉरी सूरज,
No.
उस वक्त वी शुडंट हैव पुट यू ऑन अ मीडिया ट्रायल?
No. But I don't want that sorry.
You don't want the sorry?
I don't even know who the people are.
The media in general, some people just come and say, you know, sorry यार brother, maybe हम लोग को जज नहीं करना चाहिए था before the court
But you
judged
know who thinks like this? Maybe a Subhash Chandra ji can think like this because he's the boss. But everyone else is on a payroll. They'll do what they've been told to do, Or, but I mean, I don't expect an apology. It's fine.
जब आप मिलते हो लोगों से अभी, यानी आप फील करते हो एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर टुवर्ड्स यू, क्या उनकी आंखों में दिखता है कि वे सॉरी एटलीस्ट इन द आईज की व्हाट यू वेंट थ्रू सूरज?
No, I feel more कि we are so proud of you. That's what I feel from everybody, from either my team, from either my friends, family, this, that. That is what I see. Not we are sorry for what you went through. नहीं, it's like we are so proud of you. Back में वो सब होगा उनके mind में, but I don't know. But I feel like I have made a certain people proud, and I know who those people are, and I'm happy about it.
किसका आई फील प्राउड ऑफ यू सूरज मैटर्ड द मोस्ट यू? आई नो सब मैटर करता है, बट एक आई फील प्राउड ऑफ यू सूरज मैटर्ड द मोस्ट.
My father. My father. Yeah. Most. Because he's a man of very few words to me. So he said it after a long time, so I think I was waiting for that.
डू यू फील समवेयर रिलेटेड ऑल्सो जब आपके पिताजी को भी मीडिया ट्रायल के थ्रू जाना पड़ा इन डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस? कुड यू फील हिज पेन टू?
Because of me?
Because of you and maybe what has happened in his life too.
I think so, yes, of course. He knows the mistakes he has made, and then it was just a kind of a domino effect. You know? Just went. I mean, can't judge him because I think he's people need to understand that we are two different individuals. I do feel sometimes that he feels bad about it, but honestly, he's been an amazing father, and for me, that is what matters.
And जो आप पे हुआ था वो उन पे भी ट्रिकल ऑन हुआ था.
जी, सब पे हुआ था ना. मेरी बहन पे सबसे ज़्यादा. उसका कुछ लेना देना है नहीं इंडस्ट्री से, तो वो भी-
छोटी बहन है आपकी?
बड़ी बहन, तो वो क्यों झेले. चलो मैं, मेरी मॉम, फादर तो could be diplomatic in some kind of way, maybe.
बिल्कुल नहीं है डिप्लोमेट.
हाँ, that's why I said maybe. But sister, उसकी क्या गलती है? She's a complete outsider to this, you know. So she, I think, really went through a lot because of us.
क्या आपकी सिस्टर, क्या एज डिफरेंस है आप दोनों के बीच में?
4 साल.
4 साल. बिकॉज ऑफ वॉट योर पेरेंट्स वेंट थ्रू विथ ईच अदर, क्या कभी कभार आपकी 4 साल बड़ी बहन आपकी मम्मी जैसे बन गई थी एट टाइम्स?
No. Completely different. Me and her are very different.
या हाउ?
I don't know. We are just there for each other, like every brother and sister should be. She's been an extremely supportive sister. Of course, she's a little more verbal than I am when it comes to protecting me. But I don't know what to say.
सुनील शेट्टी के साथ आप इमोशनल हो गए थे ऑन द स्टेज ड्यूरिंग द
Yes.
ट्रेलर लॉन्च.
Again, I'm saying because I felt grateful because he compared me to, he called me his son on stage. So I felt grateful that someone who I looked up to is calling me his son. So mainly that these small things are gifts. You know, if you would, it's not the money, it's not a big gift, it's not a surprise or something that would make me happy. It's these small things that would make a person like me happy. I'm not the cleanest guy. A lot of flaws I have. Even in relationships, maybe I'm not the best. Even in friendship, maybe I could have a lot of flaws. Even as a family member, I could have a lot of flaws. But I don't wish bad for anybody. That तो I know. That तो I can सीना ठोक के बोल सकता हूँ कि मैंने जान के कभी किसी को hurt करने की कोशिश नहीं की है. No one's perfect. Everyone hurts different individual. मैं अगर ये पॉडकास्ट में आधा घंटा 1 घंटा लेट आता तो आपको हर्ट होता ना, पर वो मेरा इंटेंशन नहीं होता. हो सकता है मैं कहाँ फंसा हुआ हूँ.
आप मेरे से पहले पहुंचे.
हाँ, पर वो so you hurt me.
So, but I came on my time, but you came early. But I respect
Yeah,
that.
so I'm just saying intentionally. तो I think till you don't, I do think कि इसकी वाट लगा दूंगा, इसको मैं ये करूँगा, बदला लूँगा, एक दिन देखेंगे हम अपना टाइम आएगा. But thoughts fade away in matter of 1 hour. में जाने दो यार. Let it go.
ये जो गुस्सा आता है कि मैं इसकी वाट लगाऊंगा, जो सबको आ जाए,
क्यों नहीं
उसको
आता?
कंट्रोल कैसे करते हो आप?
टाइम 1 आवर 1 घंटे के बाद I'll forget also. अच्छा इसकी then that person will become my best friend next day. And sometimes your best friends are made when you have a fight with that person.
आई एग्री.
Some friends of mine, they are today my best friends, पर हम मिले झगड़े से, भले ही वो स्कूल का झगड़ा हो या
मारा मारा स्कूल में एक दूसरे को?
नहीं, भले ही वो स्कूल का झगड़ा हो या ट्यूशन्स में झगड़ा हुआ हो या बिल्डिंग में हुआ हो या क्रिकेट खेलते हुए हुआ हो, झगड़ा हुआ है, गालियाँ दी एक दूसरे को, देन आई थिंक वो आइस इतना फट से ब्रेक होता है दैट उसके बाद लव ही लव है, यू नो दैट हैपेंस. सो वेरी
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि मैं अपने लाइफ में भी सोचता हूँ, तो मैं भी सोचूं जिसके साथ मेरी कुछ अनबन हुए, ये मेरे अच्छे दोस्त बने एक्चुअली.
this happened. You never know who tomorrow who becomes your friend, and you never know who becomes your enemy also.
डेलुलू सोलुलू, बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या? हाई ऑन चाय, चाय प्रेमी विचित्र प्राणी, बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Yes, Angar's latest collection of t-shirts, hoodies, jumpsuits are out. Trendy, cool, new designs with slogans that you and I say in our daily lives at affordable prices. Also, if you're an Angar customer, if you have the Angar merchandise with you, click pics with them and post it on your Instagram and tag me at @Sid_Kannan, and I would love to repost them. Angar pehno or Angar machao. It takes a lot of courage, Suraj, to openly say कि यार मैं flawed रहा हूँ, maybe as a son, maybe in a relationship, maybe like this, but मैंने किसी के बारे में बुरा नहीं सोचा है. Genuinely tell you, where would you say कि आपके flaws थे in a relationship? Where do you think you went wrong?
Communication.
Communication. Communication of expressing love for the person?
No, expressing love is 1000% there. I'm extremely affectionate. I'm extremely touchy. I love touch. I love hugs. No, and I'll always be there for that person. When it comes to expressing okay, what's wrong with you? No, nothing. But that person knows that he's going through something, but I don't express it. And it could get, if someone was feeling that and was not telling me, I would also get irritated. पर मेरा यही थोड़ा flaw है.
यानी कि उसको समझ है कि मैं रिलेशनशिप में हूँ सूरज के साथ, he is going through something wrong,
But he's not telling me.
and that must be distancing that person more for you or frustrating that person.
Yes.
पर जब आपको ये मालूम है, फिर आप क्यों करते हो ऐसे? क्योंकि आप ऐसे ही हो.
क्योंकि I think मेरे problems, I know I can deal with it. I think I can. If it's very out of control, I'll share with my sister or something, but I like keeping things to myself.
मुझे ये एक वॉरियर मेंटालिटी है, कि मेरा झगड़ा, मेरा बैटल, मेरा. माय गॉड.
See that picture?
माय गॉड. Huh? What does this signify?
See it?
जो मैं बात कर रहा था.
It's a falcon with a spear in the heart, but still sitting like it's going to hunt. Talking about that.
और ये मैं वही बात कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
Wow. This is exactly what I was saying. See? पर आप क्यों लोन वॉरियर बनना चाहते हैं?
No, I'm not a lone warrior. है ना इतने लोग. ये सब निशा
नहीं,
है,
जब भी नहीं, मैं
संजू
समझ रहा हूँ,
अश्नीत
तो मैं
है,
सब समझ रहा हूँ. Obviously
आप
they
है.
love- Of course.
I know you're the kind of guy कि अगर मैं आपको फोन कर दूंगा, भाई लोखंड बैक रोड पे गाड़ी कुछ हो गया या एक्सीडेंट हो गया या कुछ हो गया, I'm sure you will come.
मैं कसम खाता हूँ, मैं ऐसा ही.
No, I know you're the type who will come.
And I feel a deep sense of bond with you, brother. We don't talk much, we hardly meet, but I
Yeah.
feel it. I feel there's so much of unspoken things. Has anyone told you कि आपकी आंखें बहुत बोलती हैं?
नहीं. Not yet.
वो क्या आप एक्सप्रेसिव पर्सन थे जो इंट्रोवर्ट बन गया?
No. ऐसे ही था, ऐसे ही हूँ. It's not that I don't want to change. I want to change. I want to be able to tell my partner what I'm going through and then sorting it out as a team. वो भी होगा, but I need the right person for it, who I can trust that will not use it against me one day.
I'm not
Against me when I'm talking, because when it's something that makes you sad, you express it, you're telling your weakness to somebody. Sometimes in anger that person can use it against you. हुआ है मेरे साथ. So I don't want that person to use it against me, like, you know, he's a loser, I'm going to rub it in his face more. That is maybe what I'm scared of.
यानी कि आपने कन्फाइड किया और झगड़े में आपकी रिलेशनशिप
झगड़े में या आर्ग्यूमेंट में या
वही बोल दिया आपको वही चीज
होता है ना, क्यों नहीं
ऑफ
होता?
कोर्स होता है
होता है।
होता है
और ये मैं
बेस्ट
सीखा
फ्रेंड्स
है।
के बीच में भी हो जाता है
हाँ, मैंने ये रिलेशन के थ्रू नहीं पर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू सीखा है।
मैं नाम नहीं पूछूंगा बट एक रिलेशनशिप इट कुड हैव बीन एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जिसने आपको सबसे ज्यादा सिखाया अबाउट योरसेल्फ एंड व्हाट वाज दैट?
I think during COVID, when I had somebody, I think when you spend that much time with someone, you get to learn a lot. And COVID was like a massive version of a Big Boss set. You have to be together. अभी कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते. अभी यहाँ पे तो eviction भी नहीं होने वाला है. You know. So you learn a lot about the other person, you learn a lot about yourself, you learn about sharing, you learn about caring, you learn about moods, you learn about your own mood. Very complex question, I don't know how to answer it in one small line.
But what did that teach you?
Nothing that, I mean I can adjust anywhere, I'm that kind of a person. I can adjust in a car, I can adjust in a rickshaw, I can adjust on a bike, on a scooter, anything. So like that, I'm a very क्या बोलते हैं उसको, flexible kind of a person. So I think that came from childhood, and I think even in a relationship, I'm not that picky a person.
Fame, पैसा, known as a good actor, या एक और चीज अगर मैं आपको दूं और मैं बोलूं ये चार में से आप सिर्फ एक चीज चूज कर सकते हो सूरज, the fourth is your choice.
What are the options?
Fame, money, known as a good actor, और एक चौथा चीज जो आप कहते हो I leave these three things aside, पर मुझे ये चीज चाहिए. What would that be
Peace,
in life?
freedom, not even peace, freedom.
You are free now.
इसलिए I know the worth of it. Freedom.
Freedom mentally आप बोल रहे हो.
हाँ, आपके पास, आप दुनिया के सबसे अमीर आदमी हो. You have money, you have accessibility, but you're not free because you have to keep that empire where it is, you know. It becomes a different kind of a game then. I think freedom is the biggest luxury anyone can have. When I'm talking about freedom, I'm talking about freedom whenever you want to sleep, you sleep. Whenever you want to wake up, you wake up. Freedom to talk, freedom to feel what you want, freedom to travel, freedom to express, freedom of everything. Of course, money is needed. Money के बिना freedom का क्या करोगे? You know, but I think freedom is number one.
Have you ever not felt free? Mentally, I'm talking about.
Of course.
Yes. So during that phase, you won't sleep well?
No, I slept ऐसा नहीं. But there were times where I would sometimes feel a little anxious, this, that, के, you know, why is it taking so long and why is it not getting over? होता है. पर वो तो सबके साथ होता होगा. Mine was a different thing. किसी और का कुछ अलग प्रॉब्लम होगा.
अभी आप सोते हो बिंदास?
हाँ.
अच्छी तरह सोते हो, मजे से?
मतलब 7-8 hours I need to sleep.
और सोते हो?
इसलिए दिस पॉडकास्ट also saying कि प्लीज़ थोड़ा लंच के बाद रखना, क्योंकि मुझे उठना है फ्रेश. मैं पहले जिम जाऊँगा, उसके बाद जो भी बोलोगे रात भर काम करूँगा, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट लेट मी स्लीप.
But you sleep properly for 7-8 hours?
Yes, that's my, मतलब करना ही करना है. I cancel every day. If the day I sleep late, I would like to cancel everything the next day.
Does the past अभी भी आता है आपके पास कि नहीं?
नहीं. I mean in interviews like this of course आता है, but otherwise नहीं.
When I saw Kesari, I loved your look. I love how you made yourself physically as well. है ना? ये रोल के लिए था कि this is who you are?
No, hair रोल के लिए था, but now I'm trying a different look. This is not the look I have in Kesari actually. That's a different look. Experimenting on myself, trying to see what looks good, because before the focus was not me, it was other things around me. Now I have time to work on myself, reflect कि ये अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं लग रहा है, क्या है क्या नहीं.
When I look back, Guzarish as an assistant director, hero obviously debut. आथिया शेट्टी भी थी आपकी, अभी वो मम्मा बन चुकी है. सुनील शेट्टी has become grandfather. आथिया से बात हुई. Have you experienced
this morning-
Athia the mother?
Not yet. I've not seen her and her baby together. I don't know. It will be like a dream, you know. I won't even believe it that she has a baby now. I spoke to her this morning. She wished me good luck and she said, I hope things really shape up the way you want them to. Stuff like that.
क्या टाइगर और आप सब अच्छे दोस्त हो?
He was there last night and he was there. I said, Tiger, you have to be here. My screening. He said, कब आना है? I said, be there at 7:30. He was there at 7:30. Jackie sir was there. बेडू में आऊँगा तेरे को गले लग के जाऊँगा. That's what he told me. Like पिक्चर नहीं देख सकता मैं. नींद आती मेरे को रात को. तेरे को आऊँगा गले लगूँगा. I'll give you a kiss baby and I leave. That's it.
क्या टाइगर आपके क्लोज इनर सर्कल में है?
नहीं, इनर सर्कल में तो ना मैं उनके हूँ ना वो मेरे हैं, बट वी बोथ आर एक्सट्रीमली वेल विशर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. मतलब आई नो कि मैं उसको फ़ोन करूँगा रात के 4 बजे या वो मुझे करेगा तो विल बी वॉरियर्स फॉर ईच अदर. दैट आई नो.
देखा जाए टाइगर भी आपकी तरह है, वेरी वेरी इन्वॉल्व विद फिटनेस. टाइगर भी ज़्यादा बोलता नहीं है पर वो अपने एक्शन से दिखाता है. लाइक आई वंस अ ईयर कॉल अप टाइगर एंड आई टेल हिम, अधीरा मेरी डॉटर जो 9 साल की है का पहला हीरो था टाइगर.
Of course.
She saw Student of the Year 2 in Bangalore. That's the first feature film she saw on the big screen. And I didn't know because I was in Bombay. She went with my mother. And I asked her what we eating. She said, I saw Tiger Shroff, Student of the Year. That means she must have been really small. And after that, she was crazy about Tiger. Every birthday of hers, मैं Tiger को बोलता हूँ आता है, spends 1.5 hours with her and her friends and goes back. Just says very little, but is there. Do you relate to that with Tiger?
He gets it from his dad. Jackie sir, you call him. You say, Jackie sir, tomorrow's my wife's anniversary. She's a big fan. अगर वो आदमी नहीं आया तो आप मेरा नाम बदल दो. He'll be there for you. That's the person he is. Today I sent him a voice note. I said, sir, thank you for coming. He said, of course, I will always be there. Then I sent him a voice note saying, that is why you are so loved, you know, because of the person you are. I think he gets that quality from Jackie sir. One phone call I just made to him. Tiger, my screening tomorrow. कितने बजे आना है? That's all he said.
And he was there.
Didn't even ask me where. He said, कितने बजे आना है?
How nice. Beautiful feeling, no?
I mean, I hope I make friends like this because these are the friends our fathers are. His father, my father, Dutt sir, all of them. That kind of pack, you know. Abhi it's fading away from the industry. Very few people who will actually be there for you.
आपके पिताजी भी उस समय मैंने भी सुना कि यारों के यार थे with
अभी भी है.
हाँ.
अभी भी है.
Why does that generation have this kind of friendship, yeah? And this generation doesn't, and it's the truth. Why do you think? क्या ecosystem में क्या गलत हो गया?
I think everyone's scared to get into other people's problems. Before, everyone, चाहे एक्सीडेंट हो गया या झगड़ा हो गया या कुछ controversy हो गया, कुछ everyone was together. There was a protest against the media also long back. Everyone stood together. अभी बोलो अभी तो नहीं हो पाएगा. No one wants to offend anybody. No one wants to take any pangas. Everyone's
Playing it safe.
Everyone's not playing it safe, playing it very cowardly. Everyone's being a coward now. That's what it is.
जो फ्रेंडशिप आपके पिताजी के थे को एक्टर्स के साथ, where you said, wow, look at how they are supporting each other. Who are these actors? आपने देखा होगा एज अ चाइल्डहुड, यारों के यार. जैसे मैं बताता हूँ, आई एम 46. आई हैव गॉट फ्रेंड्स and I believe you me when I say that I am in trouble, they'll all stand. It's not required, thankfully, but they'll all stand like
Jackie sir, Dad, Sunil Shetty, Sanjay Dutt. I'm going to name people, very different sort of people. There's Ranjit sir, there's Danny sir,
The old villain.
there's Vindu sir, Vindu Dara Singh. He's also from that mentality. There's Mithun sir, of course he's much more senior. But these kind of relations they have, there's biggest example of all of these is Dharam sir. Of course he's become extremely old now, but this is what I hear, that he's always been there for the people in the industry, you know. उन्होंने तो झगड़े भी किए काफी लोगों के लिए. That's what I've heard. For the right,
Of course.
not for wrong reasons. But now it's not there. Actors में तो नहीं है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है भाई.
Actors में नहीं है.
पहले तो हम लोग भी कितने किस्से सुनते थे कि ये खड़ा है तो 5 लोग पहुंच गए उसके लिए.
100%. Now नहीं. Whether it even being someone's mom being unwell or mom being in the hospital, ये वो. Yes, when you're a superpower, then सब आएंगे आपके पास.
सो यानी आप बड़े बॉलीवुड प्रोड्यूसर हो, बड़े बॉलीवुड
प्रोड्यूसर नहीं, बड़े आप सुपरस्टार हो, then everyone will be there.
बिकॉज लेन देन है उसमें.
कहाँ ना कहाँ होगा सोच. You know how it is. क्योंकि उनको मालूम है यहाँ पे मीडिया भी रहने वाली है.
आप मानोगे नहीं, एक चीज सिचुएशन बताता हूँ मैं. तो आई मेट अ पर्सन ऑन अ व्हील चेयर. ओके, बहुत पैप वीडियो में वो दिखते हैं वो. मैंने बस
I know who you're talking about.
तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप प्लीज उनके पास जाओ, एक एक्टर के पास जाओ, और वो आते हैं अपने व्हीलचेयर के साथ, और वो एक्टर उस वक्त देते ही है पैसे वो व्हीलचेयर भाई साहब को, क्योंकि उनको मालूम है कि पैप्स है. अगर पैप्स नहीं है तो वो व्हीलचेयर वाले भाई साहब को कुछ मिलता नहीं है फ्रॉम द एक्टर.
Possible.
So transition of personality happens because of.
I don't know, it's very debatable. Because there are actors who do also a lot, but
Yes.
never talk about it.
There you go.
A lot of actors do so many things, never talk about it. Recently, I found out we were in a news channel show, and somewhere there, and I was with Sunil Shetty sir, and somewhere over there, someone said that Sunil Shetty is known for Border and Dhadkan, but no one knows that Sunil Shetty. I will tell you this, even you don't know this. Sunil Shetty rescued, I don't know the exact number, but close to 100 girls from Kamatipura, from the brothel. He planned an entire escape for them and sent them back to Nepal. Do you know this?
I didn't know this.
I'm telling you this. And this is the fact. He's done this. It's not, he said, Sunil sir said it was not only me, there was a lot, there were many people involved in it. He said I was one of them, but he didn't Shadi Thok, he didn't publish it, or he didn't make it ke news or whatever, you know. But he's done that. Not many people know about this. You know, so there are many actors who've done so much, but we never know. So can't really, अभी क्या अभी वो जो आप बोल रहे हो व्हीलचेयर लेके आते हैं, अभी नहीं दो तो कमेंट्स में बोलेंगे एरोगेंट है, दो तो बोलेंगे कि दिखावट है, तो अभी आदमी करे तो क्या करे, you know.
There were rumors about you with Maura Hokane. Is that true?
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
No, never.
नहीं.
No.
आप लोग फ्रेंड्स भी नहीं थे.
Yes, when she was in India shooting Sanam Teri Kasam, that time Hero was coming out. It was a mutual friendship जो मेरा हर्ष की भी मुलाकात तब हुई थी, राणे की और मेरी. That's it. कुछ नहीं.
Okay, I'm going to give you a small gift, okay? Chal.
Yes.
I'm going to give you, my wife Neha has made Kawai Cosmetics, perfume
Okay.
for kids है ये.
Very nice.
Water-based, no alcohol, vitamin E. So even grown-ups are using it because it smells great, but it's safe.
There's no chemical.
No chemical.
A wrong thing to say. Can I use this for my baby boy living with me at home, Drago? I
Yeah,
think I can.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not going to affect his skin, I
Not
guess.
at all, bhai.
If it's
so
for
safe.
babies, it will be good for my baby also.
Yes, bhai. बिल्कुल safe है. You can use it too and you love it.
ठीक है, thank you.
Give your love for Neha, my wife. She's worked 5 years on this, bhai.
All the best, ma'am. Really, I think I've met her once.
Yes, yeah.
Once at some screening, I have met her with your kids. All the best, ma'am. Really, I will try this on me as well. I hope I smell like a little baby.
Thank you. Thank you, brother. And you know I'm always there for you, okay?
I love you, bro.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Surat Pancholi.